Hello traders. Binary options that have a fixed expiration date require an accurate determination of the opening time. Although at first glance everything is simple, you just need to click the Call/Put button. Standard technical analysis tools will help you not to make a mistake, as does the exact binary option strategy, Tricky Trader. The strategy uses three technical indicators. Bollinger Bands. The horizontal direction of the lines confirms the presence of a flat. The breakdown of the lines will be the binary signal of its end. If the range is wide enough, you can open options to roll back from the borders. Stochastic minus the oscillator will assess the current balance between buyers and sellers. The predictor above level 80 minus the end of the uptrend, overbought, below 20 minus the end of the downward, oversold. S-Commodity S-Handle Index, CCI. The indicator calculates the trend amplitude and accurately determines the moment when the trend changes. After installing the tools, the terminal's working window looks like this. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Once again, we remind you that options are opened when the current trend ends with a confirmed price reversal. Rise, call, option. The price goes beyond the upper limit of the Bollinger Band and then returns to the channel. Look at top binary options signals for entry points into the area above the midline. CCI breaks the -100 level from bottom to top and is directed up. Stochastic is out of the oversold zone, level 20. Fall, put, option. Reverse conditions. The price goes beyond the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band and returns to the channel. The entry point must be below the midline. On CCI, the breakdown of the +100 level from top to bottom and the movement of the indicator down. Stochastic has gone out of overbought, below the 80 level. There are no restrictions on currency pairs. It is quite possible to use the period of 1 minute, and options with an expiration of 3 minutes. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal. Adaptive strategy VFX alert. We start trading. The first will be the Canadian dollar. The price is below the Bollinger middle line. Indicators and VFX alert confirm the fall option. Intraday strategy, Tricky Trader, represents rather reliable system of a conservative scalping for trade in the stable market. Parameters of trade tools can be changed according to the current volatility. Once again, we remind you that most profitable binary options signals will only be on trend areas. During the flat periods we remain out of the market. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. The price is far from the opening level. Waiting for a profitable expiration. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Euro dollar. All conditions for the second fall option by indicators. Confirmation from VFX alert. Even on the minute timeframe, stochastic rarely goes into the extreme zones and you can miss a lot of good deals. If price and stochastic start moving in one direction minus, you can open an option. Time of expiration can be increased up to 5 to 7 minutes if the steady trend is observed. Also, during such periods, it is possible to open several options with different validity period, to take away a maximum of the movement at minimal risk. Downtrend continues. The price is far from the opening level. The option is in profit, waiting for expiration. The second option is a plus again. A difficult signal for the euro-pound, although indicators and VFX alert give confirmation. Trying to open the next fall option. The narrower the Bollinger Band's price channel, the higher the likelihood of strong movement after flat completion. The opposite situation is necessary for trading on the edge of borders. The corridor must be at least 30 to 40 points, otherwise, the options will be unprofitable. Even if free binary signals show the right direction. Expiration soon. The forecast is wrong, option is at a loss. The transaction ended at a loss, we are waiting for the next signal. Rise option for Euro-Yen. Start uptrend from the lower Bollinger. Indicators are also turning up. We open only one option until we compensate for losses on the second transaction. Expiration term. Look to steer a middle course, too short 1 to 2 minutes, and too long 10 to 15 minutes. Option life is considered dangerous. In the first case, the price risks not having time to go in the right direction, we get a loss. In the second, the market will have time to turn around, which again gives a negative result. 30 seconds before the end of the option. The price is near the opening level. Waiting for a profitable expiration. Profitable expiration. We continue to compensate for the losses. The second option is for the euro-pound. Price and upward indicators, VFX alert confirm the signal. The profit fully compensates for the losses, after which we will end the session. You can significantly improve the result of scalping if you perform analysis on multiple timeframes simultaneously. For example, periods M5, M15 can give a hidden trading binary signal of a trend change, which is then confirmed by a deal on M1. The option is in profit, in other pairs we do not open. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than an hour and 25 minutes, $205 or plus of 3% to deposit. It is the very good result.